Hey peeps, taking down my hair, getting ready to wash it and do all the things. But I want to show y'all my nice show, y'all. It seems like it's gonna be good. Mr. Sunshine, K-drama on Netflix. And so I finished, start a new page. I watched this. I ain't even show y'all this one. 1% of something. I just finished it last night. I got to rate it. That was really good. I get that like one day, probably over the summer, I'm going to get a composition book and put all these in there. That's what I decided to do. That was really good. 1% of something. K-drama, 16 episodes. And then I watched the Game of True Lies. That was like kind of a short, but it was really good. I gave that like 4 pluses. And then Always Home, I gave that a 10. The Best Thing, yeah. So now I'm on Mr. Sunshine. And I'm getting ready to, I just took my hair down. And now I'm finna go get all my goods so I can wash it. And yeah. And so this what today is. May 27, 12:40 in the p.m. Tuesday. Terrific Tuesday, y'all. And y'all already know. I'll see y'all when I see you. Peace. Okay. Morning voice. Um, Wonderful Wednesday, y'all. 8:03 in the a.m. May 28th. Wow. And well. Okay, we're not gonna look at the bed. We're just not gonna do that right now. It's too early for that. Let's get my cup. I'm gonna give y'all a slight OOTD. I gotta have some my bag up. It's raining, y'all. Gloom. So this is me. I know I got this off of Shein. Yep. But and the dress, I like this part. It's pretty. And it got a hood. But this the dress I got off of Shein. I don't know if I got it last year. It's just like one of these little dresses. Yep. It's pretty. I like the stripes. And my trouser socks. And of course, my favorite shoes. I feel like if something happened to them, y'all, I will rebuy these shoes. So, let's flip it. This one, I just put these in my hair. And I got these earrings. I think I got these from Shein, y'all. And I got this in my hair. And of course this. And I put on my John 2 and Rain Child Number 9. Bought me some Dossier, the lavender. So I kind of mixed that together. And I did my hair yesterday. And I made it. I gave myself less braids. So that's what's happening over here. I think I just got 6 on this side, maybe 5 on that side because I'm over it. But these are so pretty. So yeah, something going on with my eyeball. And I'm tripping. Well, that's me. So now let's hit these streets. Hit these Chicago streets. Chicago rainy streets at that. I gotta sit y'all down for a minute and zip back up my thing. It's real lightweight, but I shouldn't get I shouldn't do it. Yeah. So y'all ain't seen me from that angle before. Oh my Lord, I think I'm gonna get me a sub today, y'all. Either a tuna sub or some type of sub. Yep. It's not cold though. It's not cold, but it's raining. Y'all see it. I'm gonna put my hood on. I got my umbrella in the truck though. Alright, peeps. See you when I get back. Okay, hey peeps. It's 12:17. Y'all see it. So I got this. I gotta dry this out right here. And so we on this part at the bottom. It's wet. I'm finna dry it out with my paper towel. I done did these. And a couple of these I had to take out and really like clean them, the black, and put some more double-sided sticker on here. So I had to go get my old trusty double-sided stickers. So we at the bottom. All these is clean. Only part I gotta do is dry this out right here. Dry these bins out, and I'm gonna be done with this top part, and then like start wiping my bottles off and putting everything back, cause the hubby just left. So I feel like I need to put another one right here, but it's cool. Then I'm doing the freezer, and I just saw a fruit fly or something, and I'm coming for it. I ain't in the mood. So y'all, we chipping away. Too bad these tests can't stay open. Like, why not? All right, I'll be back. Next time it'll probably be the food back in there. Then we'll be working our way to the refrigerator freezer part. Then up high. And I'm fasting. That's not tomorrow my last day though. All right. Peace. Okay, we at 12:33. So everything dried out. Shining. My things, everything. I dried this out. She good. Like, in case I missed something. What's this right here? Oh, that's plastic from when we got it, I guess. I can't get that out. So, she clean. So let's get ready to... I'm going to start from the bottom. Put the stuff in here first. This stuff. And what goes in here? I'll figure it out, y'all. I'm fasting. And oh my God, when I don't eat, I don't be drinking water, and I feel like I'm almost at a dehydration level. So I need to probably stop and get me some water, and then push forward. All right, peace. Okay, peeps, it's 12:51. Yep, I gotta wash that out. But everything is back and washed off and shiny. I cleaned my egg tray. Everything is everything. I cleaned these out. I washed these off, which I always wash these constantly anyway. And clean my butter tray out real good. I clean these as I refill them, so they get cleaned periodically. And I washed all these off. And all these off and all these off. So now what we getting ready to do now is what's that? We getting ready to take the cheese back. I ain't got none on my set. All my cheese gone. I gotta get some. So we got her done, peeps. And I keep this like right here to keep that from sliding back. But I could go ahead and put it in there. Huh? I'm talking to the hoodie, y'all. But now we getting ready to take all this out. And I'll be back when I'm done with this. Or, y'all know I just pop up. Peace. Okay, peeps. It's 1:30. Let's do this before my stuff start melting. Let's see. I need to get back there. I need to get back here. It's not too bad, but that's a reach. I'm going to go get my vacuum hand back. And I got to clean this part. So, I'll be back. I'm almost at the finish line, y'all. Almost 2 o'clock. I come off my fast at 3. So, everything is cleaned and back in this proper spot. Yeah. We got all back there, too. We got back there. Y'all, me and this Flo becoming best friends at this point. Yep. We cleaned all that. Shining, ain't it? Okay. I see you, Miss Shay. Well, now we finna take all this off. And probably finna rearrange some things because I don't need all that up there. And that'll be it. I'm gonna take another break. I'll probably be back about 2:30. Finish up around 3. Time to come off my fast. Let's put this back over here. I'll wash that out later. Yep. Give me another towel. Because this one done served its purpose, y'all. It's time to get another one. Whew! Mercy, mercy me. Is you here? I'm going to do this one, y'all. I'm going to put this in my hamper. I'm watching my show. I start that back I'll probably start back at it at 2:30. Oh, I want my water. I left my water in the kitchen. Let's go. And my hand back. I need to empty that. Water. Where's my water? Oh my God. Y'all, I think I'm Delulu at this point. Delulu, I am. So, I probably took it in the room. Oh, there you go, right there, y'all. I got my boy. Did y'all say it? There you go, right there, Sheena. Thank you. I heard you. I got it. I got the memo. Okay. I finished watching my show. I think I'm on episode 18. Okay, peeps. It's 2:30 now. I done cleaned up there. If y'all can see it. But we have a situation. It's clean. I done wipe my trays off. Finna wash that off. Wash that out. Refill this. This is my paper plate. And this is like snack thing. This is snacking thing, and this is crackers, and yeah, that goes in there. And it's like, whoa, y'all should knew. I bet y'all already knew that was gonna fall. And this is like hamburger buns I had got when we barbecue. Them probably done though. But like I was up here, y'all was standing on this, y'all. And yeah, I have to do it like that. Make sure. Cause ain't nobody got time for falling. I was looking at my refrigerator, has all scratched up. Oh my God. I know what did it. Like, it ain't on that side. So what I'm gonna do, I got some wallpaper. I'm gonna put it up here. I'm gonna cut it when this finished drying. I'm gonna like have it coming out to right here. Cause it's just really this side, cause it's that being right there. That black, it's got wire in it. Until I find something else to keep my paper plates and all the stuff in. Cause we constantly taking it down, putting it up. That's why I don't scratch this up. But I don't feel like painting this, like going over it. I'm gonna just cover it up. Like I have some wallpaper and I'm gonna cut it out. So that's what I'm gonna do. And wash this. I was running hot water, but I had to use the bathroom. And refill the snacks. I don't know what was in that. I keep these on top of the refrigerator. For the baby shower, these probably come in handy. So let's go in the basement. Right around my navel hurt. What's up with that? Ugh. Ooh, why? Stuff I gotta wash. Oh, my wallpaper. I got a little piece. I got some left. We'll cut it out. And then I left this out because I gotta clean my back porch and stuff. The rocking chairs and all the things. I feel like I need to take off most of this up. I don't need none of that. I think I need this. Not all though. Do we got the 10 by? Nope, I'm gonna need more of those. So when I go out, I get some more. And for the baby shower, we got a theme. It came, she got the plates and the cups and stuff. I really like these plates. The big ones, the 11 by something. It's only like 25 in here though. Got these right here. So I'm gonna take this up. Not all of them. These don't really fit in there. I'm gonna have to figure that out. Or get me another type of something. I don't know if I need some more of these. I'm getting tired now, y'all. Yep, and it's almost time for me to come off my fast. I gotta get another roll of paper towel. Okay. Do I need them bowls? Nah, I ain't need those bowls. It's like this. I really didn't need no more of these plates. I need the other plates. I didn't even know I was running out of those, but it's cool. She make her coffee. She used to. All right, let's cut the light off. That's money. All right, peeps. Next time y'all see me, everything should be everything. I might show y'all how I put this wallpaper on top of my refrigerator. Whew. Getting winded. Okay. It's almost 3 o'clock. Time me to come off my fast. Y'all be seeing the shenanigans. But I got it up here though. I got it right here to protect the corner and this part. It's good enough. I ain't have to be perfect. I just want to protect my refrigerator. So that's it. That's how I look. It's kind of a little up right there, but it's. I ain't have to bring it all the way down, but oh well. At least it's up here. Because I really wasn't in the mood for it, but it's cool. All right, peeps. I'm gonna get ready to make my tacos and put all this stuff back up. I mean, probably some of this stuff I have to wash out, but I probably have to come back to that after I eat. Because on week, I ain't ate nothing. I kind of put that like right there. And I be using this for like cold, overflow cold cuts. So I just keep it up here and there. And I ain't in the mood to clean that out right now. I might come back to that. I'm gonna wash these out. I don't know what's in there. I'm gonna get rid of this bread. I shouldn't have got that many hamburger buns. Ain't nobody gonna eat it. I mean, a hubby could eat it for like, it's still good. This is molded. He can eat it on a sandwich. Thank you, Holy Spirit, because you know I'm struggling. Up. So we're gonna put this. See, it's like wire right there. It's hard. We're gonna just put it up there. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna throw that away. It's leftover wallpaper. And I put some right here. Put some wallpaper right there too in the window. And y'all, I'm done. Basically, everything is done. Yep. I'm finna eat and get my energy to going. And then come back and finish this up. I got a mop over here. I got a lot of stuff to do, y'all. This is never ending. All right. 1 more minute. I'll be off my fast. Oh, Lordy Lord. All right. See you when I see you. Peace.